All right, Bitcoin pumped and it's been consolidating today, and it's now got a little bit of a pump started again. Does this mean upside or not? Hey, welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I am a cryptocurrency trader and a forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. We're going to take a look at the micro count and the macro count, see where Bitcoin might be heading. Be careful here, guys, on the chart. Very, very dangerous place to be entering trades on this chart long term. All right, let's jump into the market, see what's going on. All right, let me just zoom out here and show you what I'm seeing. Okay, 6 hour chart. Let me remove my fibs there. There we go. Um, it's possible that a three-wave move is finished, which we've been waiting for, and it was truncated and short. Okay, so that's a possible count there, okay? Which means that this is the beginning of something big. Now the problem with that count is that this right here is a three-wave move to begin that, and I don't like that to begin. It's not a leading diagonal; it's a three-wave move. You'd have to count that as a 1-2, 1-2 with a really big wave to follow. Okay, we're not getting that big wave. We're getting kind of a messy kind of wave here and say, okay, it's messing with us. It's possible that when it passes a certain fib level, that's when it shoots up. But for now, it's messing with us around key corrective fib levels. Let me show you the corrective fib levels that we're looking at here. Um, boom, boom, right there. So, in other words, what we have right now looks like a three wave move here, but this isn't going up in three waves, which bothers me as well because this started out as three waves, came down as three waves, and it did not come to 90% of that, which is a flat rules. So if it was a flat, I would expect this to be five waves. But since this didn't come down 90%, I expect this to be a three-wave move, if indeed it's going to be a WXY correction. Okay, so in other words, while it appears to be a three-wave move right now, it's not following the rules for a three-wave move. Now, the market doesn't care about Elliott wave, no doubt. I'm just telling you the Elliott wave perspective on it. So in other words, with the Elliott wave rules here, you can see this first wave came to the one-to-one extension. The second wave came to the one-to-one extension. We'd have to count that as five waves, three waves, five waves, three waves, and now we're going to get a giant wave to the upside. That is a possibility, guys, and that I want you to be aware of it. It's hyper bullish, right? But let me tell you another possibility. Again, we might simply have a three-wave move. Now it's breaking rules, but again, the market doesn't care about Elliott wave rules. Elliott wave is about probabilities and repetitions in the market. Okay, so if this is a three-wave move, then we might be looking at a move. Oh, come on, Jim. Might be looking at a move like this. I had this eerie feeling. I'm not recording my. Oh, we got volume. Good to go. All right, so there we go. So yeah, so right here is what we're looking at. Did I hit record? I hit record. All right, we're good to go. So yeah, we're looking at $9,800 as a target for a three-wave move. That would give us a three-wave down, a three-wave up, and then we'd be looking for a three-wave down. That's what I'm looking at, guys. That's the only bearish scenario that I'm seeing for now. Okay, bullish scenario that this is a finished three-wave move. This is some kind of a finish move, and we're now looking at a 1-2-1-2. Let's talk about that scenario as well. Let's go to the 12 hour so we can get a little bit more perspective on this guy. Let me pull the fibs on the first wave and then the second wave and see if I can get you a projection for if it's going to be bull. How bull is it going to be? All right, so 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to get up here at least, probably up here to the third wave, 4 and 5. Probably going to get up there to about $11,000 at least, guys, on the size of this wave. Again, if it's a 1-2-1-2, this is what we're looking at. Yep, I think that's a very good projection right about there. I think that looks good. All right, so that's what I'd be seeing again. Looking for an extended wave to the upside. Not going to go straight there. Probably it's probably not going to go straight there, but certainly will consolidate, pump up, consolidate, pump up, and such. So yeah, I'd be looking for $11,000. We're going to break this high, guys, and that'll give us our fifth wave, potentially our fifth wave of this wave. If that gets extended even longer, it could go even higher than that. But let's look at our projection here from the bottom and see if there's any confluence with that. Come on. There we go, right there. 4 ended there to there. Yeah, these fibs are saying even up to 12,000, guys, 12,400. If that's the case, if this was the end of the fourth wave. Okay, so this is the idea behind this is that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up here to the 1618. Let's see if we can make that a different color so you can see it a little bit better. There you go. All right, so but the size of this wave is looking at about 11,000. So I'm not sure about the confluence there. So that's the bullish scenario, guys. If it's bear, expect it to turn around somewhere around $9,800 to $9,900. Expect it to turn around. That's what I would be looking for. We'd be looking for a move up to this region right here. At the tops, I would say 10,200. At the highest point, I'd be wanting to look for a three-wave move that looks something like this, and on the 12-hour chart. Okay, now it's not going to happen overnight, but if it should, we should see some signs of reversal around there if this is a three-wave move. Okay, at least 9,800 is a key area right there. I said 10,200. Let's just say 10,000. Sorry about that. I didn't have my fibs quite right, guys. Let's make sure I got my fibs right on. Give you a nice, good projection here. Where is it? There's the bottom. There's the top. Okay, yeah, 9,800, 10,045. Okay, so that would be the highest I would expect. But the 9,800 is a key level of fibs here. Then I'd expect to move down to the downside, at least one-to-one extension of that move, something like this. 8,300, 8,200, depends on how high this comes. So that $8,200 target is still in play, guys, on Bitcoin. Now, on the other hand, when you go to Ethereum, it's totally a different play. Okay, so let's talk about the difference there. Sorry, guys, I'm pulling up a trade on my phone, making sure we're good to go there. All right, good deal. Ethereum. Ethereum now, let's see, on the larger time frame. 12-hour chart, there we go. We're looking at it's hard to tell, guys. It's hard to tell because this came right to the 1618, had a three-way pullback, looking like we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the way. I mean, this is looking like it's at the end of the fifth wave for Ethereum. 1, 2, that could be 3, 4, and this is the end of a fifth wave. We're getting an extended fifth wave. Okay, in other words, I'm gonna move like that. Came close to the 1618, but we didn't quite get it. Oh, wait a minute, my fibs aren't quite in the right location. Yeah, still didn't quite get the 1618 on that, but this could be the count here for Ethereum. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now this is extended fifth wave. Going to get us up here to about $300, which I mentioned yesterday. Looks like we got a 1, 2, 1, 2 on our hands, and that's a lot more clear, and there's a lot more follow through on that 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's what we're possibly looking at here on Ethereum. Yeah, so we got a 1, 2, 1, 2. I shared that yesterday if you want to watch yesterday's video. And I said basically the only way this is going to go up if that's a 1, 2, 1, 2. It certainly has played out that way. The fibs are telling me on the smaller time frame here that we've hit the 618. We're heading to 286 for a bigger pullback. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. That's going to get us up to that $308 target that I was talking about yesterday. So that's a potential. So we will get a pullback, and nothing's going to go straight there. I don't think. I think we're going to get a consolidation period, and then have one more push up. That's again if Ethereum turns out to be bullish. Now, if Litecoin, if Bitcoin changes directions, then fat chance for Ethereum. We'll have to look at this count a different way as a failed wave or something of that effect. But right now, evidence says up, right? Evidence says up. That's when I'm skeptical of the market, guys. But again, we're going to look at what the market's doing, not what we want it to do, and not what we think it should do, but what it is doing. Okay, and right now it is up, and all signs, the technicals are pointing up. We are in the oversold region, need a cool off wave and to get that push up. Will we get it? I can't say, but there are your targets, guys, for Bitcoin and Ethereum's looking pretty bullish. We'll have to wait and see what Bitcoin does here around the $9,800 mark. That's our next target. Let's do a final analysis of the micro count here, guys. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart. Just look at this last wave and say, okay, what could that be? And is there any entry setting up here? Well, this could be part of a three-wave move here. If we get above 96.33, this is probably invalidated, but or so in that ballpark right there. Could be a three-wave move here, like so. This could be a leading diagonal right there, three-wave move, and then we'd expect another move down. We'd probably come down to the one-to-one extension of that three-wave system. Somewhere around $9,500, a retest, and then up we go. Okay, that's potential. Again, if it passes there now, which it can, this wasn't a leading diagonal, and this is just the beginning of one wave, two wave, and then we're going to get a third. So 96.33 is your key point there to watch. Get a move past 96.35 somewhere, and a close behind it. Then forget about that move down to 9,500 or so. Forget about that before it goes up. It's not coming. Okay. Now keep in mind, this could be the top. We've already hit the one-to-one extension. We don't have to hit that $9,800 target. In other words, this could be a one wave to the downside, two, and then we get a three. If we get down here to $9,400, guys, the upside is invalidated in my point. So invalidation to the downside about 96.34. Invalidation to the upside about 94.43. That's about all the time I have today for the video. I know it was fast. Watch it in slow motion and rewind it and see if that helps you. All right, that's a quick analysis. I hope you guys have a great day. We will talk to you later. If you need to learn how to analyze the market like this in real time and quickly, or have this information at your fingertips, then join our Telegram group. You just become a Patreon supporter, and we'll get you right into the Telegram group. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.